13 lessons on how to use rejection to your favor. Have you ever felt like the world is pushing against you, with every step forward met by rejection? What if I told you that instead of running away from rejection, you could use it to your advantage? Consider this. Rejection isn't a sign of failure, but a pathway to growth. Every no you encounter is merely another step toward your ultimate yes. How many times have you let the fear of rejection hold you back? How many opportunities have slipped through your fingers simply because you were afraid to face the possibility of being turned down? What if, instead of fearing rejection, you embraced it? What if you viewed every no as an opportunity to sharpen your resolve, strengthen your character, and become the best version of yourself? Reflect on the greatest minds, the most successful entrepreneurs, and the fearless leaders throughout history. Did they let rejection stop them? No. They embraced it. They used rejection as fuel to propel themselves forward, defying the odds to achieve greatness. Now ask yourself, are you ready to do the same? Are you prepared to harness the power of rejection and transform it into your greatest asset? In this exploration, we'll delve deep into the heart of Stoicism, extracting 13 powerful lessons on how to use rejection to your favor. From cultivating resilience in the face of adversity to finding opportunity in every setback, each lesson will equip you with the mindset and tools necessary to conquer rejection and emerge stronger than ever. Lesson 1. Embrace discomfort. In the realm of Stoicism, discomfort is not something to be avoided. It is a teacher, offering valuable lessons about resilience and strength. Embracing discomfort means accepting that rejection is part of life. Each instance of rejection presents an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to refine your approach. Rather than shying away from situations that might lead to rejection, seek them out. Each rejection strengthens your resolve and equips you for future challenges. Lesson 2. Reframe rejection. Rejection often comes with a sting, but how you interpret that sting defines its impact on you. Stoics advocate for reframing rejection as feedback rather than a final judgment. When you encounter rejection, ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? How can it guide me in a better direction? By shifting your perspective, you transform rejection into a powerful tool for self-improvement. Lesson 3. Focus on what you can control. In life, there are countless variables beyond our control, including the reactions and decisions of others. Stoicism teaches us to focus solely on what we can control, our actions, responses, and attitudes. When faced with rejection, concentrate on your efforts rather than the outcome. By doing so, you'll find empowerment in the knowledge that you are doing your best, regardless of external validation. Lesson 4. Build resilience. Every rejection offers a chance to build resilience. The more you face and overcome rejection, the stronger and more resilient you become. Each no fortifies your ability to handle future setbacks. Embrace each rejection as a stepping stone toward greater resilience, knowing that your ability to bounce back will serve you well in all areas of life. Lesson 5. Cultivate a growth mindset. Adopting a growth mindset, a belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed, aligns perfectly with Stoic principles. Rather than viewing rejection as a dead end, see it as an opportunity for growth. This mindset encourages you to persist, innovate, and evolve, ultimately leading to greater success in your pursuits. Lesson 6. Seek the silver lining. Every cloud has a silver lining, and rejection is no exception. Stoicism teaches us to search for the positives within negative experiences. After experiencing rejection, take a moment to reflect on what might have gone right, or how this rejection could lead to better opportunities. Finding the silver lining not only eases the pain of rejection, but also inspires a more optimistic outlook on future endeavors. Lesson 7. Practice self-compassion. Rejection can lead to feelings of inadequacy or self-doubt. Practicing self-compassion means treating yourself with kindness and understanding during these tough moments. Acknowledge your feelings, but don't let them define you. Remember that everyone experiences rejection and that it does not diminish your worth or potential. Lesson 8. Learn from failure. Every rejection contains the seeds of valuable lessons. Embrace failure as a natural part of the journey towards success. Analyze what went wrong, understand the factors at play, and use that knowledge to inform your future actions. This reflective practice is at the heart of Stoicism and encourages continuous growth. Lesson 9. Surround yourself with support. Building a strong support network is crucial when facing rejection. Stoics recognize the importance of community in fostering resilience. Lean on friends, family, or mentors who can offer encouragement and perspective. Their insights can help you navigate rejection and emerge with renewed determination. Lesson 10. Accept impermanence. Rejection is a temporary experience. Stoicism teaches us that all things are impermanent, and so too are our setbacks. Accepting the transient nature of rejection allows you to move forward without dwelling on the past. Embrace the idea that what feels like a setback today can lead to new beginnings tomorrow. Lesson 11. Develop a stoic attitude. A stoic attitude involves maintaining equanimity in the face of adversity. When faced with rejection, strive to respond calmly and rationally. Avoid letting emotions dictate your reactions. Instead, assess the situation objectively. This composure allows you to learn from rejection rather than be overwhelmed by it. Lesson 12. Take action. Despite fear, rejection often breeds fear, but Stoicism encourages action despite that fear. Take calculated risks and put yourself out there, knowing that rejection is simply part of the process. Each time you act despite your fears, you build confidence and resilience, ultimately positioning yourself for greater success. Lesson 13. Redefine success. Finally, redefine what success means to you. Instead of measuring success solely by achievements or accolades, incorporate the lessons learned from rejection into your definition. Success can be viewed as the ability to persist, learn, and grow, regardless of the outcomes you encounter along the way. Conclusion: rejection is an inevitable part of life, but it doesn't have to be a hindrance. By embracing the lessons of Stoicism, you can transform rejection into a powerful ally. Each lesson equips you with the tools needed to confront rejection head-on, cultivating resilience, self-awareness, and an unwavering commitment to personal growth. So, are you ready to harness the power of rejection and turn it into your greatest asset? The journey begins now,